Hello guys, welcome to Technical Chart Analysis. So today we are discussing IPC Lab. Okay, so to understand more about the company, we can go to fundamental. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so basically it's a healthcare pharmaceutical company. It's a mid cap. Okay, and it's a low risk stock. Okay, as a stock is 1.44x as volatile as Nifty. Okay, and as we see the financial trend, it's look very good, I will say. Okay, so in 2070 if you see, they were having 9%, around 9%, 9.67% revenue increase, and 108, like 100% profit increase. Okay, that's good. In 2017 to 18, they did show like 4% increase in the revenue with 23% profit, very good profit margin. With uh, with 2018 and 2019, we are looking is 15% revenue growth, as well as 85% the profit growth. Okay, and one more thing is like in 2020 we can say 2019 as a COVID and 2020 as a COVID as well. In those duration, we are getting 23% solid revenue growth with 36% profit. So guys, if you see like 36% profit, 85% profit, 23% profit, and 100% profit. So one thing is clear that their product have they do have very good profit margin on the sale. Okay, so that's a positive, right? So yeah, there are this like investment checklist, we can go through it. Like intrinsic value, current price is more than the intrinsic value. Okay, it's okay, need not to be too much worried about it. Stock has been generating better return equity than bank FT. Okay, so if we check on weekly time frame, it's 5% down, 5.8%, we can see 6%. On 1 monthly time frame, we are looking for around 0.73% return. On 1 year investment, we are looking 30%. That's a good number. With 5 year, it's like 227.77% return. Okay, so indeed, and see, this is the long term actually view. Okay, so I will say these are the kind of stock actually in our stock exchange we should be as a long term. That's my point of view, guys. Think about you. But really, if you see the financial strain, one thing is indicating that they do have very good the profit margin. Okay, so like why I'm saying that 9%, and here we are getting 4% revenue. Okay, so they need to work, they obviously work out on something on the profit, the revenue, sorry, and they increase their revenue 15.26. Okay, but we see continuous growth in the profit, like 108, little bit 23%, but here 85%, and here 36%. So the profit margin is really good. So basically I like the profit margin. So the dividend return, stock doesn't offer the attractive dividend returns. So yeah, so for the long term guys, definitely dividend matters. Like people buy around 1,000 quantities particular stock, and they expect a good dividend. Okay, so here what we're looking at, on November 13, they release the interim dividend around 8 rupees per share. Okay, uh, I will say it's not less or huge. It's moderate actually. Entry point, good time to consider. Stock is not in overbought zone, and there is no red flags like the stock not in ACM, GSM list, not a lot of promoter holding pledge. Okay, so that's about IPCA, the fundamental, what we can say, understanding. Okay, or analysis. It's not at all analysis. Fundamental analysis is very deep. Okay, our technical chart analysis is very not that much deep. We just understand trend, we understand support, we understand resistance, and that's all. On that's all we decide the movement. Okay, so back to the technical chart analysis. So what we are understanding from IPCA lab is that we do have couple of moving average. Okay, so in that, if we look the 37 WMA, 37 WMA, it was giving continuous support. Okay, it was bridge in couple of times, like here we see the stock. Sorry, the stock has breached the particular support, and but from here 6110 WMM it pushed back. Okay, that was one thing, but let it be for long term. Even though if we say that here the stock has been breached, but eventually it shoots back and it's created new high here actually. So that's a good sign, I will say. One more thing, like here as well, if you see, it was breached here, it was tested, and it retraced. So it's a good it's and this particular things is going on from around 2018. Okay, so 3-4 years back this is continuously happening. Okay, so if we take as in the stock market, like all we guys know that history repeats itself. Okay, so what we think here by looking the history, okay, that here as well the stock has been breached, and it so it has been tested here. Let me zoom little bit. Yeah, it has been tested here, and from that it could not able to hold, and it's again breach. It's breach over there. Okay, and from there as well it tried to bounce back. Okay, but again it's breaching. So what we feeling is that this particular like 1627 will be the good will be the good for the entry. Okay, so let me create one horizontal blue line there as a dark. Okay, so and not exactly 1630. If you look the particular candlestick. Okay, so something extraordinary thing happened here. Okay, the stock the bulls take over, becomes in charge, and they were pushing the stock at the top. Okay, but the resistance was there, like it was difficult to penetrate. Okay, so on that price movement, okay, I will say 1686 will be the good level. Okay, or 1690 guys. Okay, around 60 okay, what's the particular number? Let me hold it. Yeah, let me lock it here. So around 1720, or let's say 1750 will be the good let me adjust here. Let's oh, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, I will record here 1735 1750. Okay, so what I feel is that 1750 or 1740, around 1750 it will be good to have entry. Okay, for the positional trader I will say. Okay, or 1471 will be very much good, but I don't think it will come to that level. But let's hope that those people have already had taken the position. They will not like my thought, but definitely guys, see, it's a very good stock. Okay, and we like that good things comes in the cheaper price. Okay, everybody likes that. So on that front, I'm interested to have 14 like 1471.41 around that value. So yeah, so and one more thing what I feel is that see guys, this particular level is not good. Okay, those are investing for long term. Okay, considering this 3 year historical knowledge or the particular trend, I don't think that the particular stock, even it get little bit retrace, it will definitely jump back. Okay, so I will insist to have a long term view on this particular stock, guys. You will be end up with 3000 plus, definitely, without a doubt. Okay, and for that we are getting around 18. We need to invested at around 1820 the per share. Okay, so this will be interesting. So let me give you one more position, one more level. Yeah, so around 1800, I feel it's good to have an entry. Uh, Let me adjust it a little bit better. Sometimes what happen actually, it's difficult to select and move. Okay, yeah, this is also good. Yes, and let me have one more level. My only trying here is that see, I also agree that we shouldn't run behind the price. We shouldn't run behind the price, and it's not my practice. Okay, but also we shouldn't miss the opportunity. That's also the one point. So there is very thin line in between not losing opportunity and not running behind that opportunity. Okay, that we have to like that we have to manage. Okay, so on that front I will say uh, definitely uh, the stock has been retraced. Okay, there is one resistance here, this particular 55 wma. So obviously not 100%, but definitely we think that from here, probably from 1813, stock will retrace back, and it will be in the bullish view. Okay, if it is retraced back from 1817, guys, we can have entry here. But if you miss it, okay, if you miss it, wait for the 900, around 80, 989 around, or 9, let me give you 900, around 980. Okay, so what I will say, wait up to the 980. So once stock uh, breach that one, we can have an entry. And please, it's a very good stock, I will say. Have some patience and have long term view. Definitely you will end up with very good fortune. So this is one thing. Second, we also thinking that probably it might retrace. Okay, so if it is retrace, then I will say 1750 will be the good level to have entry. Okay, so that is one more point of view. That's a gold, that will be the golden opportunity, but I don't think it will come. What happened? Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so this one, like 1480 will be the very golden opportunity to buy. Okay, but I don't think it will come to that, because if you see, in order to meet that particular level, stock has to, there has to be very very bad news. 3 years, if we look back the 3 years record, it didn't happen a single time. There will be very less chances that this will happen now. So on that front, we don't think that stock will come to 1480. Okay, but it may come to 1750 and 1800. Okay, so on that front we can have entry in the stock. And guys, particularly to this stock, don't sell up to the 3000. Okay, or at least 2500. Okay, so definitely in upcoming days it will definitely shoot up. Definitely means this is my point of view. as a disclaimer, guys, have consult, like, have your point of view as well, study your point of view as well, study the graph and everything, and then invest. I'm just sharing my knowledge, my perspective. So uh, like, I am in the stock market from around 4 5 years. Okay, I have seen some golden days, bad days, good days, all day, every days actually. So from that, I learned something. I'm just sharing my point of view here. It's nothing like that. It will happen definitely. Like, I'm a Brahma and I'm saying that this is going to happen. It's not like that. So yeah, this is about IPCA lab. Signing off. So guys, please comment, subscribe, and let us know your thought. We are looking, and if you have some very good stock in your mind, please reach us out. We'll happily to do the technical analysis for the same. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.